We're hearing some little grumblings around the local Premier League that is supposed to kick off sometime next month. We're hearing that more trouble than it. We hear that some inspection teams from the Ministry of Health are having some issues with some of the training grounds. But that bad and not too bad. We also understand that a lot of the top players in the league are abroad and do them little hustling and won't be back until the end of summer. And also that some of the players here in Jamaica have resorted to 9-to-5 jobs, which is in direct conflict with their training schedule. So a lot of the teams might be dominated by young, no-name players. What a piece of judgment. Boy, this thing have me go round in circles till me I get nauseous. Yes. I am not a coach, or a player, or a club owner. Me just talk about it and me feel dizzy. Yes. Right now, my up and down thoughts are trending again towards scrapping the season. Or better yet, just take it off from my mind. If it happened, it happened. Yes. Iron out the kinks, put everything in place, and let us have a big blast for the full 2021-2022 season. God knows. If this toing and froing for this season continues much longer, the Maverick the Maverick